Date weather for today in my village Creek Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. Today is March 4 and today is Tuesday. Time check Pakistan time is 8:06 p.m. Yan, ito yung mga snow because last night it was snow falling started around 7:30 p.m. Yan, mga snow. Let's walk. Lakad-lakad tayo sa snow. Oh, dito makapal ang snow sa roof. Now it's a sunny day. Yesterday kasi nag-start ang ulan around 7, no 11. Yesterday nag-start ang ulan I think around 10 p.m. and then until yesterday morning hanggang sa gabi. So may video ako kagabi that it was snow falling around 7:30 p.m. and we didn't expect that there is snow falling by this summer season. No, sorry. It's spring pala, spring. Spring ngayon dito sa spring season ngayon. Ayan, white. Makikita nyo ang mga white. Yung pusa oh. Ayan, mga snow. Ayan. Write tayo ng pangalan ay siya. Ayan. Aisha Khan. As you can see the snow. My name, Aisha Khan. You see our tiger. Natakot. You can listen the sounds of birds, chirping of birds. Oh, nahuhulog yung mga snow from the tree of pine trees. Yan, oh. Oh. Update weather for today is March 4 and today is Tuesday. Time check 2:20 p.m. Morning time I have video around 8 a.m. At that time still there is too much snow, but now it's already some melted because morning time there was a sunny day, but now again it's coming raining again. I think maybe snow falling again. As you can see the sky and very cold again. Oh, now rain is coming. Yeah, no. And today is third day of Ramadan fasting. I get this water from down because rain is coming again, little by little, but I don't know, maybe there is snow again falling. Chicken clay is ready and I keep also 5 pieces for roasted or roasted chicken. Then now cooking this pakola. And I have yesterday extra white rice, so no need to cook. And this one chicken with vegetable stew and macaroni. And this one potatoes curry, and this for dates for open fasting for iftari. And we have also chutney and fruit chat. There is guava, bananas, sweet melon, apples, and some slice of dates, and put also some, what you call this milk, evaporated milk. And I have to make also sherbet or juice after few minutes. We keep her in jug. Ito na yung sherbet o kaya juice na iniinom namin for open fasting for iftari. Ayan, may mga seeds, nakikita nyo yan. Ito yung tawag nila dito ay tukmalangga. At saka sa English yata ay tawag ay chia seeds ba yon? At saka ito yung jamisherin na hinahalo. Lagyan lang ito ng 3 to 4 tablespoon, tapos haluan ng tubig. And then lagyan din ng konting sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoon. Ito na lang yung natira na roast chicken. Kinain na nila yung share nila, sa amin na lang ito nilangga. Itong fruits na ito ay para pang fruit chat, yung kalahati ginawa na ni Fatma na fruit chat, tapos dalawang bananas, ayan ang liliit ng bananas. Tapos guavas, dalawang guavas, mansanas dalawa din. So good for pa ito, 3 days. Ito good for ito, dalawang hati. Tiga lang siguro ito, half kilogram itong binili ni Pahad.